Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. For today's video, I am installing this beautiful wig. I actually really like it. At first I was a little hesitant because it wasn't exactly like what I thought it would be, but it turned out really cute. But as for this hair, I got it from Julia Hair and it is 26 inches. You guys can see, let me get up a little bit. I think it is 26. I can't tell anymore just because I am pretty short. I'm 5'2" for reference, and if I really stretch this hair, it would get like up to my hips, kind of like the start of my hips, not like the hips on the sides. And this is their Auburn loose wave wig and 180 density. The lace is just regular brown lace, but I do show it in the video and show what the lace looks like. And I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything just because the color of the knots were already like pretty light and it works for my skin tone. And what else? It kind of has highlights. I don't know if you guys can see, but I thought it was just gonna be like all ginger, like how the ends are, but it kind of has like a lighter color at the roots, which isn't bad, but I guess it's a little different. I just thought it was all gonna be the same. It kind of just looks like someone's like shining a light right here, but it has a bit of like some highlights. You can probably see it if I split it down the middle more, but you guys see how light it is? And then there's kind of some highlights, which is not bad. I was kind of just like surprised by it, but it's okay, I made it work. Still cute and everything. And yeah, that is pretty much it. The hair feels pretty soft. It feels like most of Julia Hair's wigs. I wouldn't say it's like the best quality. The ends kind of look like they need a trim. That's like the best description that I could give it, but I didn't like wash the hair or anything. This is kind of straight out the box. All I did was just brush it out, and this is how it looks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me stop talking, but if you guys would like to see how I installed this wig, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done the bald cap method. I just have to put my foundation on it, but I wanted to quickly show you guys the wig. So here it is. It is a cute color. I just wish it was like consistent. I'm just not sure what they did with it. Like here it looks all ginger, like at the ends, but then over here I'm just not sure why the roots are like this color. I don't know if it's supposed to be highlights. Like you can kind of see it. I just wish it was all just one color. I think I would have preferred that instead of like a mix of colors. I'm not sure what the vibe was. And I don't think this is what it looked like, but here is the curls. I didn't touch them. I didn't even wash the hair, just because the knots like didn't need to be bleached. They're already pretty light, and this will work with my skin tone. The lace is nice and thin. It's that like thin kind of brown lace, like super light brown lace, and this works for my skin tone. You guys will see like the color when it's on my head and stuff, but I think this will work. I've tried this lace before, and yeah, this is the hair, nice and thick. I think this should be good. I also plucked the lace, so it's all ready to go, and now I'm just gonna put foundation on the lace and also on the bald cap, and then we'll go ahead with the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so here it is on. Okay, maybe I was tripping about the color because it kind of does look cool. Like this kind of part, I guess, it's kind of like trendy right now. If you guys have seen like the roots that have different colors, and then the rest of the hair is like a different color. So not too bad. I actually like it, and you guys can see the lace. It is really nice lace. It's not HD, but it's close enough, honestly. And there is just a little bit too much of it, so I'm just gonna cut some lace off because I need to see what I'm doing. I really don't understand why they always do that. Like sometimes they just give you too much lace. So now, like usual, I'm just gonna make a mark wherever I think the hairline will start. And it fits really nice, like from ear to ear, so that's another good thing. And now I'm just gonna clean up the area with some alcohol and then use my glue and glue it down. And for the glue, I will be using Ghost Bomb Platinum, like usual. and I'm gonna do about 3 to 4 layers. So now that the glue looks like it's drying up, I'm just gonna align the dots with these dots and then lay it down. Alright, and now that everything is on, I'm gonna use my elastic and tie it down for about 5 minutes. And I'll be back in 5 minutes to cut the lace. And just like that, it's time to take this off. Whew, okay. Okay, you know what? I actually lied. I'm gonna cut this off camera and then I'll come back for everything else. It's just a little hard to see while I'm filming, but I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So it's not looking too bad. These types of laces, like, I don't know, since it's a ginger wig, like, I want to make the lace a little darker, but at the same time it's not going to work if I make it darker. And then the lace does have like a brown tint to it, so you can kind of notice it a bit more, but let me just clean the black dots up and then we'll see where we'll go from there. I think the color is okay. I'm like so tempted to make it darker, but I don't want it to be too dark. I'm gonna just go over it like this, just with whatever is left on the brush. I'm not putting anything new. Yeah, not bad. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs. Yeah, I think I want the baby hairs a little more on the dramatic side. Okay, so now for these edges, I think I'm only gonna do the sides and not the middle. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do the middle. Let's do the sides, and I'm just gonna do the fluffy edges like usual. So first I'm gonna hot comb them like down, just like that. And then using my K&K professional flat iron, that's what it's called, K&K, I'm gonna curl them inwards. And try to not burn yourself. Oh, that's cute. And then taking some got-to-be hairspray. You can use any hairspray, honestly. I've also used the ORS and that works pretty well as well. I'm just gonna spray it on the brush. And then just shape the baby hairs. Ooh, I love it. Like that. Oh, it's so pretty. I always get happy when it works out exactly how I want to, because I do not have the time to be dealing with any setbacks right now. Okay, and now for the parting, I think I want to do a side part. I am being Kim Possible for Halloween, so, and I'm pretty sure she has a side part. think I'll just do it around here. Okay, I'm gonna use my wax stick and I'm only putting wax in the areas that I'm hot combing, and I don't want this to be too flat, so I'm only hot combing this area right here. And my wax stick is from the Style Factor Edge Booster. I think I want it to go back a little. Yeah, I think more back like this. Yeah, I think I'll leave it kind of like this. So the curls are still there, and I don't really want to like touch it up because I don't want it to be too perfect. Yeah, I like how the messy look is. I'll just brush it out later and probably just add a few curls, but for now this is cute. The ends are a bit rough, I would say. Just like my last, like my skunk stripe wig. I think it's the way they curl the hair probably, but it's actually not that bad. I think like if I just gave it a trim, like it would look better, but for now this is really cute, and I think I'm gonna keep it like this for now. So nice. I actually like the color now, even though it's a little different. It's not what I thought, but it's not bad at all. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I really do like this color for, you know, this fall / winter kind of season. And yeah, it was actually easy to wear, and you don't have to bleach the knots or anything because it's already pretty light, and the hair is nice and thick and everything. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. So if you guys would like to purchase this hair, I will put the link in the description below. And if you guys did enjoy, give me a thumbs up, comment below what else you'd like to see, what other colors you'd like to see me try, or if you guys are scared to buy like a certain wig, if you guys would like me to review it first, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.